Tokyo SME, Global Digital Marketing. Modern Bingata Dyeing. Okamekobo. Modern Bingata dyeing brings together the traditional techniques of Ryukyu Bingata dyeing with Edo aesthetic style to create colorful modern designs that are both easy on the eyes and evocative of a bygone age. A traditional hand-dyeing technique from Okinawa, Bingata dyeing produces distinctive textiles prized for their vibrant colors and patterns. At Okamekobo, we created modern Bingata dyeing by developing traditional Bingata dyeing to reflect contemporary styles for kimono sashes, interior goods, accessories, and various other products. We also produce textiles with traditional Bingata designs alongside our own original patterns and offer hands-on courses in these traditional techniques. Kayoko Yamamoto, the proprietor of Okamekobo, first encountered Bingata some 35 years ago. The bold patterns and colors were unlike anything she had ever seen before, and they made a strong impression on her. Today, even as chemical dyes become more and more common, we at Okamekobo insist on using natural dyes while upholding traditional Bingata techniques to produce beautiful textile artwork. Produced by Tokyo Metropolitan Small and Medium Enterprise Support Center.